Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a picture with a dramatic black and white using Photoshop. And without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to click the image and then select calculations and then select blending, choose overlay and then change the layer 1 and then the channel is green. Layer 2, the channel is blue, and then change the blending into multiply, and then make sure that the result is in new channel, and then press OK, and then select channels, select this one, control press Control A, and then Control C, go to layers, and then create a layer 1, and then press Control V. That's it guys. This is how to make a picture with the dramatic black and white using Photoshop. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy and God bless.